Remember when we said that understanding isn't change? Well, if change is your destination, understanding is your starting point. So far, you've made a great start. Your intellect deserves credit for that. It's used its power to complete every mission so far. Revealing, recognizing. But here's what your intellect won't tell you. It hates uncertainty. And change is uncertainty. So it helps you understand your poodle poop while making sure you never actually clean it up.
Your intellect opens a window so you can see a version of yourself free from your poodle poop. But seeing through a window and walking through a door are different. To cross that threshold, you have to start inviting different parts of yourself. Because these other parts of you learn by experiencing, not by thinking. And once they have experienced that version of you, they will have their own intelligence to move forward.
From this milestone on, your intellect gets to rest. Release can't happen through a screen. It happens in your body and then your emotions. Places your intellect can't fully manage or plan for. That is intentional. The idea is to experience, not to think.
And when there's an element of surprise, your intellect doesn't have time to talk you out of participating.
And that's the point. Surprise is a big part of what's coming. So do yourself a favor and keep it that way.